Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be discussing about the mechanism of urine formation. This is from the chapter Excretory products and their elimination from class 11 biology. Let's start with today's topic. Urine formation involves three main processes. They are glomerular filtration, reabsorption and secretion. Let's discuss about these three processes in detail. Here, glomerular filtration. Glomerulus is the tuft of capillaries formed from afferent renal arteriole. Okay? In this glomerulus part, the filtration takes place. On an average, 1100 to 1200 ml of blood is filtered by the kidneys per minute. Important. I repeat this once again. On an average, 1100 to 1200 ml of blood is filtered by the kidneys per minute. This is roughly 1/5 of the volume of blood pumped by each ventricle during 1 minute. Okay? The glomerular capillary blood pressure causes the filtration of blood through three layers, and these three layers are endothelium of glomerular blood vessels, epithelium of Bowman's capsule, and the basement membrane between the two layers. So the blood is passing through these three membranes. Okay? Here, the podocytes are arranged in an intricate manner so as to leave some minute spaces called filtration slits or slit pores. These podocytes are the epithelial cells present in Bowman's capsule. So they are arranged in such a manner that they are leaving minute filtration slits or slit pores through which the blood is filtered. Okay? Blood is filtered finely through these membranes in such a way that all the components of blood plasma enter into the filtrate except the proteins. Except the large-sized proteins, remaining components are seen in the filtrate that is formed in Bowman's capsule. Okay? Therefore, it is considered as the process of ultrafiltration. Now, moving to the next, the glomerular filtration rate, in short, GFR. The amount of filtrate formed by the kidneys per minute is called glomerular filtration rate. I repeat this once again. The amount of filtrate formed by the kidneys per minute is called glomerular filtration rate, and in a healthy individual it is approximately 125 ml per minute, that is 180 liters per day. Very important for your exams. So GFR in a healthy individual is approximately 125 ml per minute, that is 180 liters per day. Okay? Now, moving to the next. Juxtaglomerular apparatus, in short JGA. This JGA is a special sensitive region formed by cellular modifications in the distal convoluted tubule and the afferent arteriole at the location of their contact. Yes, very, very important. This juxtaglomerular apparatus is located at the point of contact between TCT and afferent arteriole. Okay? A fall in GFR can activate the JG cells to release an enzyme called renin. This renin enzyme can stimulate the glomerular blood flow and thereby the glomerular filtration rate back to the normal. So this is how renin enzyme is regulating glomerular filtration. Now proceeding with the next, reabsorption. Here some of the useful substances present in the filtrate are absorbed into the bloodstream. That is what we call reabsorption. Here the tubular epithelial cells in different segments of nephron perform this reabsorption task either by active or passive mechanisms. Okay? 1. Substances like glucose, amino acids, sodium, etc. in the filtrate are reabsorbed actively. Important. I repeat this once again. Substances like glucose, amino acids and sodium ions, etc. in the filtrate are reabsorbed actively. And nitrogenous waste are absorbed by passive transport. Here, one important aspect that you should remember is, in case of active absorption, energy is needed in the form of ATP, and for passive transport, ATP is not required. Here, reabsorption of water also occurs passively in the initial segments of the nephron. Here, you can see this is proximal convoluted tubule, the initial segment of the nephron, where maximum reabsorption takes place. Bicarbonate ions, sodium chloride, water, nutrients like glucose, amino acids, and potassium ions, all these are reabsorbed in this PCT region of nephron. Okay? So this is called reabsorption. Now, moving to the next. Tubular secretion. During urine formation, the tubular cells secrete substances like hydrogen ions, potassium ions, and ammonia into the filtrate. Important. I repeat this once again. The tubular cells secrete substances like hydrogen ions, potassium ions, and ammonia into the filtrate. And this is called tubular secretion. The tubular cells perform this task. This tubular secretion helps in the maintenance of ionic and acid-base balance of the body fluids. You can see here the tubular secretion. Here, potassium ion is secreted into the filtrate. Hydrogen ion is secreted into the filtrate. Ammonia is secreted into the filtrate. So, these arrow marks indicate secretion of hydrogen ions, potassium ions, and ammonia into the filtrate. So, this is how tubular secretion occurs. So, this is all about today's session, which is about the mechanism of urine formation. So, there are 3 steps in the mechanism of urine formation. They are glomerular filtration, reabsorption, and tubular secretion. So, this is all about today's session. Let's discuss some important questions based on the topics that we have discussed so far. First question, on an average, dash ml of blood is filtered by the kidneys per minute? Answer is 1100 to 1200 ml of blood. That is, on an average, 1100 to 1200 ml of blood is filtered by the kidneys per minute. Second question, GFR in a healthy individual is approximately dash ml per minute. The answer is 125 ml. That is, glomerular filtration rate in a healthy individual is approximately 125 ml per minute. And the third question, a fall in glomerular filtration rate can activate the JG cells to release an enzyme called. Answer is renin. This is all about today's session. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for more videos. If you liked it, share it with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Have a great day. Thank you all.